Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring an inexpensive item that it's necessary for older motherboards that need to be upgraded. So you buy a motherboard and you have only one USB connection, and you buy yourself or you upgrade yourself to a water pump and you need the secondary. Now a lot of these motherboards only have one or two, and sometimes it's required three or more on the new towers. So we're going to take a look at it, how you can split one built-in USB to a splitter. So let's go ahead and commence and open it up, and let's do a demo. All right, so let's go ahead and do the test. Now, this is an older motherboard I have in here, and I use it for a lot of mock-ups and educational purposes. Now, on the motherboard itself, when you buy a tower, it does come with connections to USBs, USB 3, USB 2, and so forth. They even have Type-C now connections in there. Now, this motherboard only has two USBs connection, and of course, they're always taken either by the tower or by something else. And then I would like to expand this to make it another expansion for the an additional USB. Now, a lot of these times, these USB are already taken because of the tower, but if you add a water pump, it's going to require USB connection. And if you guys know, it's one of these pin connection, or you actually have to have the older USB connection and run it either through the outside, in which it looks a little awkward. Now in this case, we're going to do the pin connection. We're going to split it out here. So let me put the motherboard down, and we have two USB ports in here, if you can see it. And now with the splitter here that we have, it's pretty much inexpensive, simple connection. You find the area that's already blocked out, and you just match it up like a Lego piece, and it connects. And now we have two additional connections. Well, if one becomes into two, that's pretty much what it is. So you could use your water block, and if you have an extra connection that the tower requires it, you could plug it in here. So very simple, easy to do, inexpensive way to fix things, and people are looking for solutions like this. Hopefully this can help you guys out. And if you have any questions or any comments, hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.